Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, Lovya. How are you?
I'm fine.
So, what is the topic today?
Ma'am, topic today
Which chapter is continue? First, tell me.
ma'am, we are continuing the work in energy chapter, and today we're going to discuss the topic work. So, what is work? See, there is a difference between the way we use work in day-to-day life versus a scientific definition of work. For to understand this point clearly, let us take a few examples. Let's say you are preparing for an examination. You spend a lot of time in your studies. You read books, organize your thoughts, draw diagrams, attend classes, discuss problems with your friends, and study a lot. You spend a lot of energy on studying. From common parlance, we can say that you are working hard. Yet, if we could say that all this hard work is not work at all, if you look at the scientific definition of work. Now let's say you're working hard to push a huge rock. Let's say the rock does not move at all despite all the effort. You're exhausted, but you have not done any work on the rock as the rock does not as there's no displacement of the rock. Now let's say you stand still with a huge load on your head. You feel tired. You exhaust yourself and thus lose quite a bit of your energy. All this, we could not say that this is work if you look at the scientific definition. Now, on the other side, let's say you climb two stories of a building to see the landscape, just to see the landscape. You could even climb a tree. If you look at a scientific view, you are doing a lot of work in this. There's a difference between the common day use of work and the scientific use of work. Or actions like humming, singing a song, watching a movie, playing in the field are not considered work, although they are considered work by the scientific perspective. So that is the whole thing of work. Work in physics, or you can say in science, is basically the force acting on an object plus the displacement of the object. So it's basically W is equal to F into S, small s. So that is basically the formula of work in general. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about how it all connects together with work and power and what energy is too.